Assalamualaikum 7th class. I'm Sophia Kaval and the geography we are going to discuss today. Topic we have the earthquake. In this topic you will discuss about the causes of the earthquake and you also have watch the instrument which is used to measure the intensity of the earthquake. Now, what is an earthquake? Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or the sudden shock of the earth's surface. They are the earth's natural means of releasing stress. Earthquakes can be felt over large areas, although they usually last less than 1 minute. Earthquakes cannot be predicted, although scientists are working on it. Here you are seeing the causes of an earthquake. There are about 20 plates all along the surface of the earth that move continuously and slowly past each other. When the plates squeeze or stretch, huge rocks form at their edges and the rocks shift with the great force, causing an earthquake. As the plates move, they put forces on themselves and each other. When the force is large enough, the crust is forced to break. When the break occurs, the stress is released as energy which moves through the earth in the form of waves, which we feel and call an earthquake. What is a fault? A fault is an area of the stress in the earth where broken rock slides past each other, causing a crack in the earth's surface. There are four major types of faults like dip slip, normal, dip slip, reverse, strike slip, and oblique slip. Now here you have a map which is showing the plate tectonics. What are the plate tectonics? The plate tectonic theory is supported by a wide range of evidence that considers the Earth's crust and upper mantle to be composed of several large, thin, relatively rigid plates that move relative to one another. In the map you can see number of tectonic plates with red, yellow, and blue border. The plates are all moving in different directions and at different speeds. Sometimes the plates crash together, pull apart, or sidesweep each other. When this happens, it commonly results in earthquake. A seismograph is an instrument used for the recording the intensity and duration of an earthquake. The diagram of seismograph also given here. Tsunami has been discussed. You can see the tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or the volcanic explosion. Tsunami are not tidal waves. Tidal waves are caused by the forces of the moon, sun, and the planets upon the tides, as well as the wind as it moves over the water. With typical waves, water flows in circles, but with a tsunami, water flows straight. This is why tsunamis cause so much damage. Now the basic terminology of the epicenter, the point on the earth's surface directly above the source of the earthquake, and the seismic wave, the energy created by the quake that travels in the waves from the epicenter where they are the strongest. Richter scale. Richter scale is a measurement of an earthquake's intensity. Each 1 point increase on the scale indicates 10 times the amount of the shaking and 33 times the amount of the energy. The energy released by a large earthquake may be equal to 10,000 times the energy of the first atomic bomb. Now here we have number of different intensity of Richter scales 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The minor earthquake, and as we go further till the 8 intensity, great earthquake can be experienced. Now here we have the tips of earthquakes before an earthquake. Choose a safe place, practice drop, cover and hold on, and prepare a disaster supplies kit for your home and the car. During an earthquake, drop, cover and hold on, stay indoors, stay away from the windows. If you are in bed, stay there, protect your head with pillow. And if you are outdoor, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and the power lines. And if you are driving a car, slow it down and find a safe place. Stay there in your own car. After the shaking stops, check for injuries, inspect your home for damage, eliminate the hazards, eliminate fire hazards. So turn off the gas if you think it's leaking. Inspect after shocking. Each time you feel one, whenever you have feel any earthquake, just practice and follow, drop, cover, and hold on. Thank you for listening, and Allah Hafiz, but always use drop, cover, and hold on.